Hey everyone, it's Ryan from Blipsounds. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more of this sound, you can go to blipsounds.com/game audio training series in the description below. And I do a full analysis of this sound in a DAW session where I go over the layers, the recording, and my entire mindset to how I recreated this sound from scratch. And you can subscribe to the Game Audio Training Series for 66% off for Black Friday. I think you all will find it really valuable. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all there.